So I've got 21 grams in this little blank cup, Pasito 58 mil. Got the Etsy WDT tool here with 14 needles in it, 2 different lengths. It's got an adjustable collar. I don't know if that's very visible, but this collar here can unscrew and you can wind the needles a little deeper or a little more shallow and then tighten it up again. It's an ingenious design, it really is. It's very, very clever. Takes a while to get the needles in, took me probably half an hour or so, but it is quite straightforward if you follow the instructional tutorial. Comes with a little handle here for moving it, which you don't really need. And I found that if you give it a good 5 or 6 turns, it does a pretty good job. So let's have a look, see if I can get this right. It also comes with, it's designed so that it does fit on the lugs on the portafilter. I don't know if you can see this little ridge there. So needles are in, and I'm going to try and you can't really see much of what's going on, I don't think, but it is distributing, and give it 5 or 6 turns. It's a little rough, but it does turn very easily, and then lifting it off, it's fairly well distributed, I have to say. First time I used it, I didn't get a very good pour, but could have just been me using it wrong. I think it probably requires a little bit of adjustment, but I suspect it's good enough. Time will tell, but that's it in motion anyway. It does seem to be quite well distributed to the bottom of that basket. Normally I wouldn't have to hold the base, it would just sit on top of the lugs. And that is it. The more you turn it, obviously, the more it distributes some needles. Hard to get the lighting right with this. It is very clever design.